200Di again. I had problems with the clutch. I clamped the flexi hose, and I had definite pedal, and I think it's freed off. The accelerator's fine when it's warmer. But it's not got much top end, still needs adjusting. Whoop. So now, let's give it a try. So that's the result. Just got to do some more work adjusting the clutch and the brakes too, because they're a bit soft, but other than that, sorted.